What is up, everybody? Today we are checking into the Hyatt Place here in Ottawa West. I'm going to show you everything that's inside. It's a cute little entrance here, and I'll give you a room tour just in case you need to book this hotel for yourself. So let's go check it out. When you first come into the hotel, you're going to see that there are some snacks and drinks, some tables. That is great. You can grab whatever you need while you're down there. They also have a little seating section in case you want to do some work there. And we're going to go down right now and check out the pool as well as the fitness center. All right, I am heading down towards the pool and the fitness center just to check this out. Here we go. Oh, there's somebody in the fitness center. A couple people in the fitness center. So we won't go in there, but it looks like there's some weights and some treadmills, some rowing machines, a weight bench, and then there's also people in the pool. So we won't go in there either. All right, we are going to room 313. Lucky number 13. There we go. Thank you. All right, so welcome to our room. This is a 2 queen bed, I do believe. Ainsley's already in the room here. We are here with my family. So we have just walked back into our room. You can see there's a safe down there for all of your goodies. We've got some cups and some spaces here for your clothes. Looks like an iron and an ironing board and some hangers and all those goodies, some extra blankets up there. But the cool thing about this place is that it can sleep 6. So we've got a sleeper sofa over here, but also a place to hang out while the leaf game is on, which we're gonna do here in just a minute. We've got a little place here to put our snacks on if we want to. We've got a couple of drawers over here and a big TV. Some places to hang our stuff up over here. And then we've got a desk and a mini fridge. I'll get some lights on for you guys. So there we go, just a little tiny mini fridge there, all you need. My water's falling out. All right, there's our beds right there. We've got lights on both sides. Got a little divider here. That's not gonna do much for you when you're trying to sleep at night and if somebody else is trying to watch TV, but I guess it gives you a little bit of a divide there. But we've got an alarm clock here, everything you need. I'll show you the bathroom here in a quick second. Here is our view. Not much going on out there, but it is quiet. You know, the street's right there, but I can't hear anything while I'm in here. So they give you a little tiny coffee maker here with a single mug, which is kind of cute. But you're not going to make a couple of coffees. You're going to make one. All right, here's our bathroom here. We've got the towels down below. Nothing too exciting. There's your mirror there with your lights all around. So you can get ready. And we've got some tissue. The soap is, you know, that was a mom. That was my mom right there. The soap is not on the wall. It is within a package there, but we've already opened. We've got the toilet over here in this separate space with a pretty picture on the wall. And then we've got this hook here for your towel. So the shower is nice and big. There is no bathtub in this room, which I'm just realizing now. But that's pretty cool because we don't have to crawl over top of anything to get in there to have a nice shower. And there you go. It looks like it's been freshly renovated, but we've got the subway tile in there. We've got a grab bar if you need it. We've got the soaps and the conditioners on the wall, and we've got a little foot rest down there in case you want to shave your legs. All right, you guys, we are all done here at the Hyatt Place West. I think we all had a really good sleep. The beds are relatively firm. I would say medium firm, maybe. The shower, it works. It's not the most powerful shower in the world, but it's also not the weakest. So I think all in all, it's a really good stay. They had a great breakfast this morning. Now, where are you going to go from here? We had to drive to where we were going. We went to the winter market yesterday, and then we ended up at the ByWard Market. We had to drive to both of those. But this is a great location, kind of out of the way, if that's what you're looking for. So not right in downtown, but it's bookable on points, you guys, if you want to do that. I know we booked it on points, so it worked out really, really well for us. It's a nice, clean hotel. Pool is lovely. There's a nice weight room in it, and the breakfast was good. So all in all, I think we're all very happy. We are headed out the door today to do some other stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, follow along, and we will see you guys all in the next video.